Hi, I'm Rob Land. I'm a Principal Test Manager for Microsoft Live at EDU. My team does testing to make sure that your Live at EDU service is functional and reliable. I'm here today to help you with your second step of your Live at EDU deployment. Plan your deployment. For help throughout the planning process, visit liveatedu.com. Choose Learn More and select Enroll and Deploy on the left side navigation column. There you will find a wealth of information to help you with your planning needs, including a step-by-step deployment checklist. To get started, sign in to the Live at EDU Service Management Portal using your Live at EDU Administrator ID. On the Service Management Portal homepage, select Plan Your Outlook Live Deployment and link out to the Outlook Live help topic. Choose Separate Domain if your Outlook Live users will have their email addresses end in a different domain than on-premise email addresses. Choose Shared Domain if your Outlook Live users will have their email addresses end in the same domain that is used on-premise. Or choose Custom Solution if these don't match your particular scenario, especially if you're going to be writing custom code to automate account creation. Next, you'll want to plan how you'll create user accounts. Let's go back to the Service Management Portal homepage. Select Users and Groups from the left side navigation column. Then choose one of the provisioning tools listed on the page: Outlook Live Control Panel, Windows PowerShell and Windows Remote Management, or GalSync 2010. The next task in planning your deployment is to set up single sign-on. Choose Single Sign-On in the left side navigation. By default, your systems will prompt users to sign in with their Windows Live ID to access their Live at EDU resources, and again with their institution ID to access their institution resources. Adding single sign-on lets your users sign in just once to access both their on-premises resources and their Live at EDU services. If you chose Shared Domain earlier, you need to determine your shared addressing strategy. You can decide how to configure your domain when sharing the same SMTP email address space with a different email system. Go to Mail Delivery in the left side navigation, and then link to the Outlook Live help topic on shared address space. Your options are On-Premises Relay or Outlook Live Relay. Let's go back to the Service Management Portal. The last task in planning your technical deployment is to explore your co-branding options for your Live at EDU services. Go to Co-branding on the left side navigation. You can customize the look and functionality of your services with an institution logo and links specific to your needs. One benefit of adding co-branding to your Live at EDU services is that it will turn off all advertising on your Live at EDU pages. For more information on co-branding, click the link to the Co-branding Administrator's Guide and follow the steps there to access the information you will need. We have gone through the technical planning for your deployment. Now, let's prepare to spread the word. We have found that the most successful Live at EDU deployments are the ones where everyone at the institution knows when the services will be available and everyone knows how to use them. That's why it's important to develop a plan to promote these new services to your students, educators, and staff. Go to Home on the left side navigation. Scroll down to Recommended Tasks and click the Student Launch Kit link. Here you'll find a wide variety of useful templates for everything from posters and flyers to email messages and web banner ads, as well as tips on creating a timeline and assigning responsibilities. Congratulations! You have completed Step 2 in your Live at EDU deployment to plan your deployment. You're on your way to delivering great email, calendar, instant messaging, and online collaboration services for your institution. If you need more information after watching this video, you can visit the Enroll and Deploy section on liveatedu.com or get answers to your questions at liveatedu_answers. You are now ready for Step 3, Test and Integrate. Make sure to watch the next video in this series where my colleague, David Hurley, will walk you through the testing and integrating process. We'll give you more helpful tips on successfully deploying your Live@EDU service. Thank you again for enrolling in Live@EDU.